let's get started. Oh, and today is Thursday.
Oh, and today is Thursday, so I have to.
Today's Thursday, so we're gonna use this Pediasure cup for a craft.
And on the
You
top,
can hear something. I finished it today, so not worry.
I have to cut the white.
This is not readabook.com. This is craft.com. Yay! Is anybody excited about that? Let's cut a piece about this big. It has to be a little tiny hole like that. And open the Pediasure cup like this. See that straw? Just bend it and put that on top of that straw so it can stick. See? Oh,
Now the bottom.
that does stick. But I have to get a towel from it. To get paper towel. That Pediasure cup does not finish a poo.
I have to cut all the blue sides. See that?
Let's not talk about this. There is stick. Let's not open the Pediasure box like again. This small, teeny, tiny hole. And put it in here. That's how we have it. So take this Pediasure cup and roll this around just a little bit near the Pediasure word. Just do that.
So you need your scissors and then cut the white.
And are you gonna need the blue thing or the pink? Or purple?
Both of it. But I need one of those. I need a color line. Please, Anne. Just do purple, now do blue. You love purple, remember? You don't like purple anymore? I just need both of them. I want a blue. Please. I'm going to open it. And then close it, and then,
That's right. So like that. But I don't have tape right now, so turn here around. That makes it stick though. Tap, tap, tap. We need a little these. These are buttons and rhinestones. We need these buttons and rhinestones. So these don't open. These are stapled. These don't open. These are stapled. I stapled these. And I put in there. Put this extra one in there as well.
Now I have to get my
Pig can get what?
again.
Got fire.
And then cut
and
the
then
white.
get cut that piece.
Only one
And
line.
open it all the way like that. And just hold it with one. Squeeze.
I have to get this out first.
you're gonna tap with your scissors. If you don't have scissors, that's okay. You can buy some scissors at 99 cent store, Target,
from in here,
Michaels. You can buy scissors anywhere. And I bought these at Michaels. These were $100,000. I had these, but my mom, I have a mom. There.
Now
Stand
I
the
have
scissors
to
up
take
like this. That falls off.
And
It's
then
okay.
I have to.
I'll just sew my shirt back up. See, I cut my shirt. Let's see.
Sorry, I'm not gonna use this yet. I'm gonna use.
Okay, so here I am.
I don't need that.
Okay. So let's get started. Oh, we were already started. So today's Thursday. Okay.
Choose.
This thing and this thing. Ow! See? If peaches were apples, I pick you. Put it back in. We need this.
Okay, now I have to open this and get one.
You get one of these. If you don't have that, it's
Or
okay.
I get
You can use a
2
different bag of
stickers
some things in here.
And one
two
crayon.
vegetables.
So let's just.
You have to begin to hear it when you shake it in your ear. I'll get something more.
Or we're not gonna use.
And you need these?
Yeah, I need this one.
Here. We need this to clip this together like that. Then you hold it like this. Like the window. But right now you have to do this to the page. Not that. Just do it like that. So it's stable.
See?
Put a beauty little circle, semicircle inside a circle. But
So,
in this pin.
This is
Do you
eye
see it?
circle.
Just put it really.
Girls, who's Daddy 12?
I have it.
Where?
Hi, this
Okay,
is
bye.
Dad.